everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I just wanted to look you in the face for this unboxing. I just want a different angle, right? And I can do that. So I got something from Amazon, and it is from, let's see here, Painti-Crafts. Yes, it's storage, people. Storage. I'm super excited. I will put the link down below for you. It's roughly in the $20 area. They have two options. This is the larger of the options. One I think is like 84 count, and I think this is like 100 and something count of what you get in this storage container. I'm super excited. Came in that Amazon box, and then it came in a box like this. Look. Now, I have never had these tic-tac boxes, so I was very excited to see this and wanted to try it. I love that it comes in its own standalone container. See? You can open it here. You can open it here. Okay. And then I'm going to open it up. Okay, so they give you a tray, one of the Most Fuzz trays. They give you some labels, which is fun. And then you have all these little tic-tac boxes, is what we call them, just because they remind us of tic-tac. Now, this would be great if you're paper crafter, scrapbooker. I do have some over here, like these little brads or things like that, if they don't come in a container like this, they come in plastic, so you can put them in here. This is also great for your drills. This has a very strong click. Do be careful though, because this does come out. If you're putting your drills back in, I would recommend gently pulling this out and doing it without the full lid, because sometimes this little hole is too small. That's what she said. All right, so you get two sides. See how full that is? And then in the center, super cool. I haven't gotten one of these either. These little twists. Okay, so let's see how many baggies this holds. I'm back. Did you miss me? Okay, so these are some baggies. Crinkle, crinkle. Woo! I'm going to pull out the 310s. Set them right there. Put the crinkle away. All right. So these aren't 310s, they're 939s. Let's find the end here. All right, so let's get some scissors and let's see what this container fills and what the tic-tac container fills. Where's the tray they gave me? Where did the tray go that they gave me? Oh my goodness, I'm hiding it under my stickers. Okay. So I'm going to dump them in the tray. I have two baggies. I feel like a pharmacist here. How many pills go in the pill bottle? Let's see here. So let's do two more. I'm going to have to make sure I label these so when I go to do this elephant painting, I know where my 939s went. So here's two more. So that's 4. I think we can probably get 2 more in there to make 6. Think we can do it? Let's see. Tap, tap, tap. How many happy pills you want, huh? How many happy pills? Okay, so I don't want to spill on camera, but you could probably fit one more or half of one in there. So if you were working on that color, you could pour it into your tray and then whatever you have left over. Now, let's see how many will fit in the tic-tac. I'm guessing 4. What's your guess? Do you guess? Come on, little guy. Happy pills. Diamonds are happy pills. I don't want to do it too fast or I'm going to get them all over and it'll be on camera too. The evidence will exist. Okay, so yeah, you could kit up a lot in this baby. And I will put the link down below for you. So if you want to get one of your own, feel free to grab it. All right. So 4 can fit in here for sure. There you go. Tic-tacs. You probably could fit one more of these. These bags feel like they're smaller, the ones I'm using. I don't know if they're the full 200 drills in them or if they're more of like the 170 packets. But I did the best I could, right? That's all you can ask for. Put this in my trash down here. Okay, so I'm super excited. Go check it out. I enjoy this company also for some snack size paintings. They've got some good storage options, and I'm actually really thrilled about this storage option. I think it does well. What in the world? Oh, I opened the lid too far, so be careful. But yeah, so it is a good storage option for you, and I hope that you will buy your own and enjoy so you can suitcase it to crafting. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all, bye-bye.